Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia, and today's video is going to be a really quick one. I have a new unit that I'm excited to review from Hairvivi. It's their 100% glueless wig. I haven't opened the package, so let's go ahead and just jump right into this and see what this is about. So as you guys know, this is the package that it comes in. Okay, so here's a bag of hair tools. I assume you could purchase this separately on their website. This also includes a little wig grip, some hair clips, and a tweezer. So basically the essentials that you need. Okay, so first out of the box, it has the Hairvivi construction that we have come to know and love. It is definitely pre-plucked flawlessly. So now I know you guys like to skip through the cap construction, but this is where you're going to need to pay attention because this is what makes this unit stand out from the rest. It does include the fake scalp that Hairvivi has perfected. It also includes their comfort elastic band, and you guys know that it is adjustable. You can adjust where you want to put it on the wig cap as well as how you want it to fit on your head. And now I do see the two differences from this unit compared to the other units. It has these new air tabs, and I'm going to show you what this looks like outside of the wig in just 1 second. And it also have these 3 little tabs in the back. And let's go ahead and just jump into its functionality. Okay, so this is the basic caps construction that this unit is built on. As you can see, the outline just kind of illustrates where the hairline would be. And these are the new air tabs that this unit has. And the function of these air tabs is that it's supposed to be able to make these side tabs on the side lay down flat. Now, we all know that when we wear our glueless units, that's always an issue. The elastic band helps the top to stay down, but if you ever want to have the sides lay down, that's always been a problem. And this wig construction is supposed to fix that. It also has these 3 tabs in the back, and I don't know what they call this, the technical term for it. If they have one, I'll put it across the screen. But what that's all supposed to do is help the wig to adhere to the back of your neck so it's not lift up in the back as well. So the 2 main issues that we normally run into when we're trying to wear our wig glueless is supposed to be fixed by this unit. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and try this on and see if I notice a difference. So I make sure the elastic band is laying in the back of my head, and then I'm going to just take the comb and tuck that underneath. And okay, the wig is actually laying flat back there. Okay, now let's see what's going on with the front. So this is kind of still sticking up. So they said you're supposed to be able to just slightly bend it. Oh, and look, it's adhered to my head. Wow. Would you look at that? Okay, Hairvivi, y'all might be onto something. This is very innovative. So, of course, we got to get the full look of this. So let me just go ahead and cut the lace. Is it giving natural realness? Let me see. Wait. The real test. Can I wear this behind my ear? Ooh, I'll probably make some sideburns over there, but it looks like I can, and it's not even sticking up. This cap is not even adjusted tight on my head. I could actually make it a little tighter. So basically, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you on the cap. So these little tabs right here, you basically bend it. It's bendable, and you bend it, I guess, however you see fit. If you wanna bend that part, you can, and the same with that section. And that's giving it that suck to your head kind of feel. And one thing I will say, because these tabs are here, the sides aren't plucked as deep as they normally are. However, it still looks good, but I just want you guys to be aware of that. There is that little bit of restriction due to this. And of course, this is the bob unit that I'm reviewing. However, they do have the longer lengths, the body wave, and the other styles available with this same cap construction. Just follow the link in the description box and it'll take you right to it. Now, this one thing I always say about Hairvivi, they're always looking for a way to improve the wig. That's why I will always stand and review their units. They are definitely one of the innovators, and there's not too many out there. There's only a select few that are constantly working on improving their units. And of course, if you want to add concealer to the parting space, you're more than welcome to do that. I just want to show you guys how it looks without adding any extra product to this unit. Okay, so I'm going to just try to flatten this top just a little bit. All right, this is back of the wig. Okay, dolls, I lost some of my footage, so I had to come and redo this outro, so make sure y'all listen up. Okay, so I've already reviewed the benefits of this unit and the added convenience. So let's just get into the details of the specs of this unit, as well as who this wig is really intended for. Now, I haven't looked at the price point for this unit. However, I can imagine that it does have a more premium price point, consider the added convenience that it affords you. So if you're the type of person who knows how to install your units, then this wig is probably not intended for you. Now, you could of course get another Hairvivi unit. However, this particular cap construction is intended for those of you guys who don't know how to install your units, who struggle even with the simple things like putting some Got2b glue, gel, or spray. I hear it all the time in my comment section. You know, regardless what may come easy to one person, another person may struggle. So you're basically paying for the added convenience. Hairvivi is basically delivering you a unit as if you went to a hairstylist without having to actually go to a hairstylist. It includes everything from bleached knots, plucked hairline, and of course it's 100% glueless, so you don't have to wait on your hairstylist. And the way these hairstylists be acting nowadays, I wouldn't want to wait on anybody, to be honest. So think of it as a way that you might be just paying for those fees that you would normally pay for your stylist up front without having to wait on somebody else to install your unit. You could do it yourself, throw your unit on, and then head out the door. Okay, now, even though I mentioned and I said this wig is to be worn glueless, I'm going to tell you what this wig is not intended to do, okay? Sis, please don't let me see you at the amusement park getting on a roller coaster ride or one of them slingshots, talking about you got on a glueless Hairvivi unit because it sticks to your head, okay? That's what you're not gonna do, okay? I don't want to see you end up like our good sis here who just lost her mind and her unit while she was at, okay? So that's what is not intended to do, okay? Under no circumstances are you ever supposed to get on any of these rides without gluing your wig down, okay? You know I'm your sis, so I'm always gonna look out for y'all, okay? Don't let me see y'all on the shade room or on TikTok, okay? And that's all I'm gonna say about that. So dolls, as always, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll have everything listed in the description box down below. And before we get out of here, y'all gonna have to help me name this wig. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And of course, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, as always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section down below. And if you have any suggestions on some other things that you would like to see Hairvivi maybe come up with, or any vendor for that matter, leave that in the comment section down below as well, because let them work so they can make our lives easier. I'm all for that, okay? Dolls, if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of that faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And it's always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.